Welcome to this comprehensive, highly detailed, and professional step-by-step silent guide. How to install ceramic tiles on stair sides like a pro. Whether you're a passionate DIYer, an aspiring tile installer, or a seasoned craftsman looking for new techniques, this long-form visual tutorial is designed to take your skills to the next level without a single word. Just the clear visual language of expert craftsmanship in action. In this extended video, you'll witness the entire process of installing ceramic tiles along the vertical sides, also known as stair risers or stringers, of a staircase. These often overlooked areas are key to a polished, seamless look when designing with tile, and mastering this detail can elevate the aesthetic of any staircase, whether in a residential home or a commercial space. The journey begins with proper preparation, something that separates amateur results from true professional finishes. You'll see the artisan meticulously clean the surfaces, inspect for unevenness or dust, and mark the working lines with precision tools such as a spirit level, chalk line, or laser level. These initial steps lay the groundwork for perfect symmetry and alignment throughout the entire process. We then dive into the selection and handling of ceramic tiles suitable for vertical application. The video showcases expert handling techniques to avoid cracks, chips, and accidental breakage, an essential part of working with fragile materials. You'll see the tiles being measured with extreme care, marked with a pencil or scoring tool, and cut with different tools depending on the angle, whether straight, diagonal, or rounded cuts to fit around railings or decorative trim. Each tile is placed with intent and focus, showing how to apply adhesive, tile mortar, or glue, using the correct notched trowel size and motion to create a firm grip without excess spillage. The installer demonstrates the correct pressure to apply when placing the tile, how to adjust it within seconds for perfect alignment, and how to maintain consistent spacing between tiles using spacers, even in tricky areas where the wall may not be perfectly square. You'll learn techniques for creating seamless transitions between steps and side walls, and for ensuring that joints remain tight and clean. These fine details, how to finish an edge, how to work around architectural imperfections, and how to make every tile look as though it was custom fit, are what define the pro touch. But the value of this video doesn't stop at the basics. This silent tutorial also includes advanced tips subtly conveyed through visuals, such as how to work with corner trims, how to avoid lippage, height differences between adjacent tiles, how to apply a final smoothing pass to adhesive, and how to clean tools on the go to maintain workflow efficiency. Throughout the entire process, no voiceover is necessary. The high-resolution, close-up shots, steady camera work, and thoughtful pacing allow you to absorb every moment in detail, as if standing right beside the craftsman on site. This silent method of instruction ensures it's universally accessible. No matter what language you speak, your eyes will translate every movement into understanding. As the installation continues up the staircase, you'll see not only technical skill but also artistic intuition, when to make a subtle adjustment, when to cut a tile slightly smaller to preserve the overall pattern, and how to maintain flow so the finished product is not just functional, but beautiful. Even the grout lines and edge finishes are carefully detailed for a showroom-worthy result. Finally, you'll witness the cleanup and final inspection, where every tile is wiped, every joint checked, and the edges reviewed to ensure everything is secure and professional. The craftsman's hand glides over the surface not just to test firmness, but to appreciate the beauty of the finished work. A staircase that now stands as a signature of expertise and elegance. This video is not just about tiling, it's about transforming a staircase into a piece of architectural art. It's about paying attention to every line, every joint, every millimeter, until the job is not just done, but done to perfection. And through this silent, cinematic tutorial, you are invited to slow down, observe, and internalize each phase of the process. Whether you're looking to install tile in your own home, train as a professional, or simply admire the discipline and patience required in this line of work, this video offers an immersive experience into the heart of true craftsmanship. So grab your notebook, your tools, or simply your curiosity, and enjoy this long, peaceful, and beautifully crafted guide to installing ceramic tiles on stair sides like a true professional. Watch as skill and precision meet patience and beauty, no words necessary. Let the work speak for itself. This video is more than a simple tutorial. It is a quiet masterclass in architectural enhancement and tile artistry, delivered through the hands of an experienced craftsman. As the visual journey continues, we begin to understand that every stair side is not just a surface. It's an opportunity for creative expression and structural precision. The sides of a staircase, though narrow and often overlooked, can become powerful design elements when treated with the same care and craftsmanship as a floor or wall. As the camera follows every meticulous move, viewers will find themselves immersed in the rhythm of expert work. From selecting tile patterns that align perfectly with the stair design, to trimming each piece with flawless accuracy to follow complex angles, curves, and wall inconsistencies, you'll see how the tile cutter becomes an extension of the installer's intuition, able to make micro adjustments in real time for a perfect fit without wasting materials. We're invited to observe the problem-solving side of the craft, moments where real-life construction challenges appear. Uneven stair stringers, surface imperfections, mismatched angles, and hidden gaps. Rather than cutting corners, the installer slows down, adapts, and uses thoughtful, hands-on techniques to solve each issue. Whether it's creating a custom spacer from a leftover tile piece, using a rubber mallet to softly adjust alignment without breaking the tile, or reapplying mortar for a more secure bond, every decision reflects a deep knowledge of material behavior and construction logic. There is something deeply satisfying about seeing the transformation unfold without words. The silence becomes part of the lesson. It invites us to notice small details we might miss with distracting narration. We see the way the craftsman wipes adhesive from the tile edge with one clean motion, or how they tilt the tile ever so slightly to achieve a cleaner line that will make the final grout work seamless. The beauty of stair tile installation lies in both the geometric harmony and the tactile satisfaction of every piece falling into place. As the side tiles climb higher and higher up the staircase, a subtle visual rhythm begins to emerge, like a melody composed in ceramic. Straight lines, precise spacing, and tight joints turn what could have been a purely functional project into a work of visual balance and depth. You'll also learn through observation how crucial time management is during tile work. The adhesive used on vertical surfaces can dry quickly or slide under the weight of the tile, especially with gravity working against it. The installer shows methods to counteract this, applying only enough mortar for a few tiles at a time, pre-measuring cuts before applying adhesive, and using temporary supports if needed to prevent sagging or shifting. Even the final touches, grouting, edge sealing, and polishing, are not rushed. The installer uses a sponge and a practiced hand to remove excess grout without